Hey, welcome to HVAC Animated. My name's Jeff Bennington and I'm your host. And today I'm going to tell you how you can get free furnace marketing for your heating and cooling company. So if you're an HVAC owner, if you're part of the marketing team, or if you're a technician, I think you're going to like what I have for you. Welcome back to HVAC Animated. So today we're going to talk about how you can get free furnace marketing for your heating and cooling company. And I'm kneeling here in front of a furnace just to demonstrate how easy it is. I've got an iPad, I've got a mic, you can't see it, but it's right above me. And what I want to demonstrate is how you can get free marketing using your social media. And a lot of the contractors I work with spend tens of thousands of dollars in marketing every year, and I don't think you have to do that to reach out to your community. So several years ago I owned a website, and we relied heavily upon social media, and we had over 43,000 subscribers, and we use social media on a regular basis. And what I learned in that time period was that video is king. It absolutely rules the marketing world. And so what I frequently see is a lot of print and online ads and buy this and we'll give you a discount and get your tune-up and get it discounted. And I think there's a way that you can market to your local audience by using video, and you get it for free. It's easy to post and it's easy to edit and adjust. And I can talk more about how to do that in another video. But today I just want to demonstrate of how the visual works. When you have a technician, for example, working on a furnace, and you've got the visual of a problem that you're getting called out for. So customers call you, they're like, hey, I got a problem with my furnace. Now, how did they find you? Maybe they just Googled you. Maybe they found you on Google Guarantee. Maybe they saw your website. Maybe they've seen your trucks. But imagine if they found you because you were working on one of their neighbors' homes on a similar problem. Let's say they're having a flame rollout, and you do a quick video, just a 2 or 3 minute video of your technician saying, yeah, I'm here, I'm in Kokomo, Indiana, and I'm working on a flame rollout. And and then you just start into the process real quick, and then you do a close-up of the wrap-up and how it's fixed, and you move on. And here's what you do in that video. You demonstrate your technician's professionalism. You demonstrate your technician's ability to troubleshoot and solve problems. You demonstrate their ability to communicate. There's so much you can do in video, and not only can you communicate the professionalism of your company, the cleanliness, the uniform, you get to demonstrate in a visual of what it's like for your company to be in your customers' homes. So here I am, flame looks good, nice blue flame, and I'm going to just demonstrate real quick some of the visuals that you can include. There's warning signs in here, so it's good for your customers to see. There's warning labels, flame and electrical warning labels, all the wires, everything that comes with a service call, and those are the reasons why they're calling you. I think a lot of HVAC owners believe that if they show too much, if they show how they fix problems, that people will not call them and just try to fix it themselves. Well, I don't believe that's true at all. I think you're going to have the type of customers, the engineering type, that they want to get out of you the part number so that they can fix it themselves. Yeah, that's few and far between. I think the large percentage of your customers really just want help. They want a professional to come in. They don't want to be responsible for their health and safety. They want to put it on you, and that's what you're there for, and that's why you charge what you do, because of your skill and your ability to solve problems. So I want to help you solve a problem, and that problem is you could very well be spending way too much on marketing when in fact you can target your local audience on social media. Think Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn. These are all places that you can just simply post ads of you doing your thing on the job and showing your community how you do it with excellence, professionalism, and how you really care about your customers. So more to come on this topic, but this is how you can get free furnace advertising. And I just want to thank you for listening if you listened all the way through. And I'm going to show you more in other videos how I do this, exactly what I've used, and how easy it is for you to do this. If you enjoyed the content, please subscribe, like the video, and share it with your team. I'd really appreciate it. I think I got something here for everybody, from technicians to management to owners. So thank you for listening, and we'll see you next time.